Welcome to 150 West End Avenue, apartment 3KL. When purchasing this apartment, you're not just buying an apartment, but a lifestyle. Drive right into your own private parking spot directly in front of the building. In fact, you can see your parking spot from your living room window.
In fact, Lincoln Towers has a private 5-acre park with a pickleball court, basketball, and ping pong, along with a playground and picnic areas for Lincoln Tower residents exclusively.
When the sellers bought this apartment, it was 4 bedrooms. They decided to shift the layout to make it 3 bedrooms with more living space. But it is easily brought back to 4 bedrooms if that's what you need.
I love this open expanse to the gardens and this treetop view. And yes, spring really is on its way. I can see all the trees in bloom.
I love this kitchen. Glass tile backsplash, white quartz countertops, stainless appliances. It's a cook's dream. Let's not forget this oversized kitchen pantry.
Now this is rare at Lincoln Towers, your own private oversized laundry room. No more hanging your fine washables in the bathroom. Here you just close the door and get all this extra storage.
Talk about your storage room.
Wow, 3 bedrooms, including a corner primary bedroom, 3 full bathrooms, an open concept living, dining, den, and kitchen, as well as your own private outdoor space and a parking spot in the West 60s?
Yes, it really is a rare find. 150 West End Avenue is a full-service cooperative with 24-hour doorman, live-in super, porters on staff, additional laundry in the basement, fitness room, playroom, bike storage, and pet-friendly too.
Wait, I almost forgot. All utilities are included in your maintenance, even your air conditioning.
That's right, Amelia. Let's not forget your close proximity to Lincoln Center, Trader Joe's, the pier at Riverside Boulevard, a new Morton Williams that's coming this fall, Fairway, Citarella, and so much more.
Andrew, do I get to drive this pretty car now?
Amelia, we talked about this.
If you'd like to see this beautiful 3 to 4 bedroom home at 150 West End Avenue, apartment 3KL,
Give us a call or send us an email. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris
Stevens.